Hello everyone. Today we will discuss Chapter 2 Globe Latitude and Longitude Part 2. The contents of this part are: first we will see longitudes, what are longitudes, and then we will see how to mark latitudes and longitudes on globe. Longitudes. What are longitudes? Longitudes are imaginary lines which run in north to south direction by joining two poles. To fix the position of a place, it is necessary to know something more than the latitude of the place. You can see, for example, that Tonga Islands in the Pacific Ocean and Mauritius Islands in the Indian Oceans are situated on the same latitude, that is 20 degrees south. Now, in order to locate them precisely, we must find out how far east or west they these places are from a given line of reference running from the north and south pole, or these lines of references are called the meridians of longitudes, and the distance between them are measured in degrees of longitude. Each degree is further divided into minutes and minutes into seconds. They are semicircles, and the distance between them decreases steadily polewards until it becomes zero at the poles where all the meridians meet. Unlike parallels of latitude, all the meridians are equal in length. Thus, it was difficult to number the meridians. Hence, all countries decided that the count should be gained from the meridian which passes through Greenwich, where the British Royal Observatory is located. This meridian is called the prime meridian. Its value is 0 degree longitude, and from it we count 180 degree eastward as well as 180 degree westward. The prime meridians and 180 degree meridians divide the earth into two equal halves, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Therefore, the longitudes of a place is followed by the letter E or the east and W for the west. It is, however, interesting to note that 180 degree east and 180 degree west meridians are on the same line. To locate places, we need some references. Latitude and longitudes are these references which help us in locate places on the map or on globe. They are imaginary lines run vertically and horizontally on the globe and make grid which help us in locating place. One by one we will see latitudes. Latitudes are imaginary lines which run in east-west direction between two poles, North Pole and South Pole, which are the fixed point, real point, or with the help of these two real points, the other lines have been imagined. So latitudes run in east-west direction between two poles, North Pole marked with N and South Pole marked with S. 0° latitude is the largest latitude which divides the earth into two halves of a sphere, hemisphere, the part which lie to the north of it towards North Pole in northern hemisphere and the part which lie to the south of it, equator, towards South Pole is in southern hemisphere. They are also called parallels of latitude as all the lines of latitude lie parallel to each other. They never intersect. That is why called parallels of latitude. Total 181 latitudes are there on the earth, including equator. Equator which is marked with 0°. 1 to 90° marked with N. 1° N, 2° N, 20°, 40° N, 90° N towards North Pole in northern hemisphere and 1 to 90° latitude marked with S to the south of equator in southern hemisphere. So in this way there are total 181 lines of latitude. Longitudes are imaginary lines which run in north to south direction by joining two poles from pole to pole. Latitudes are full circles but not equal in length, and longitudes are half circles but equal in length as they cover the same distance from North Pole to South Poles. 0° longitude, which is also known as prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. 0° latitude is called equator and 0° longitude is called prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. They are called meridians of longitude because all the places lying on the same meridian experiences midday and midnight at the same time. That is why they are called meridians of longitude, and they help in finalizing time of a region or a place. There are total 360 lines of longitude, including prime meridian and 180° longitude. 0° and 180° longitude together make a circle and divides the earth into two halves longitudinally into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. So all the lines of longitude which lie to the east of prime meridian from 1° to 179°, between 0 to 180° longitude to the east of it, marked with E, lies in eastern hemisphere, and the longitude from 1° to 179° marked with W to the west of prime meridian in western hemisphere. For today, up to latitude and longitudes only. In next video you are going to see the relationship of longitude and time. Longitudes, local time, standard time, and time zones of the world. Thank you.